everyone, my name is Ed, a leader of this group, and thank you for coming to our group discussions. Here are today's panels. On my side is Eunice, and on my left side is Ashley.
Hi.
From now on, we're going to discuss the women's diets in Korea these days. And the first, we're going to look at the problems that exist because of it, and then causes, and then possible future effects, and then solutions. And then finally, we're going to choose the best one. As you know, the woman's desire to beauty has been endless since the history started. Of course, that's the prerogative of women, but these days it looks like going too far and just like astray. Especially women in Korea are trying to lose their weight through the wrong methods. As a result of that, many serious problems are occurred. What kind of problems are there? And just please be specific. The first, Ashley, what do you think?
Okay, I got some data. According to the Nielsen Research Company, 91% of women have tried to lose their weight, and 33% of them are lighter than their average, and 58% of them have very normal weight. And this number shows that even slim women think that they are too fat and they are obsessed with the diet. And moreover, we can easily find many girls who are on a diet. So this is the proof, I think.
Well, according to a research conducted by an internet website, to lose weight is the most severe stress of 43 of Korean women in their 20s and 30s, and 63% of them had experienced social disadvantage because of their little fat figure, and it also topped the list of New Year goals by 22.6% of netizens to lose weight. So I think these researches show that many Korean people, especially women, are very much interested in losing weight.
Oh, right. And then another comment, actually.
Yeah. Last year, one portal site conducted a research about their ideal type of women, and it said that 165 centimeter long and 45 kilogram heavy is the best ideal type of woman for men. And this numerical value is unrealistic for common and general women. So I want to add another thing. In addition, teenage girls, like eating disorder, is the rising problem these days. They just refuse to eat something to lose weight.
Alright, sounds really serious. So what makes these problems on Earth?
Well, I think first of all, almost every TV stars are thin and slim. So although they were not, when they were a little fat, and when they were a little fat, they were less popular than other TV stars. But after they succeeded in losing weight, they are more respected by male stars or even by audiences. So many audience, especially women, feel jealous about thin TV stars, and they also want to be thin like that. So I think that's why many people are trying to lose weight.
Yeah, I agree with you. And I think that the overall atmosphere of the society is the problem. If one woman is fat and heavy, people ignore her and regard her very lazy and blame her for not controlling herself. And what's more, these days some companies choose the appearance as the most important thing when they hire employees. So I think that's one of the reasons.
Yeah, okay, I think so. And then all the things you said and referred are reflected in the clothes shops, I think. When you went to a clothes shop, there's very small sizes around. Like, actually there are just sizes like small, medium, large, but I think the even large, it's not exact large, I think. Yeah, the sizes. So then, what can you predict possible future effects of these problems?
Well, I think the diet industry will be developed and more expanded. So today we can see a lot of clinics and websites which help people lose weight by analyzing their body condition and suggesting them good diet medicine. And for example, there is a beauty clinic program named Marie France. Have you heard it? It is really expensive. So a TV star succeeded in losing weight through the program, and it cost her about $20 million. And 20 million won. And, and we can see a lot of gyms and jazz dance institution where we can exercise, and there are also a lot of yoga diet videos which are published by many TV stars. So I think this kind of industry development will also improve our economy.
That's actually the bright side, right? And I think the dark side is that as more people concerned about the diet, the more products like related to health, losing weight, will come out on the market. And therefore, a lot of like swindlers or deceivers who try to sell foods or medicine that contains maybe a harmful effect to our health and body, such as narcotics. I think that will be one of the future effects.
Yeah, and I think the most important problem is like physical problems. The serious diets occur the very serious physical problems like undernourishment or like lack of any nutrition. So how can I say that? So losing your hair or like the bad harmful in your nails and toes. I think so. And yeah, anything else? And then what's the present possible solutions to the problems?
I think education in school is a good way because growing children need to have healthy body, and young children are very much influenced by the mass media, so they just accept what they see on TV without any proper judgment, and they are apt to follow their friends, what their friends do. So I think education for children at school is very necessary. So we can teach them proper eating habits or simple exercises to keep fit in physical education or home education class at school.
It could be interesting, but the education in school is targeting the children and teenagers, right? So what about the adults?